Hi guys. This is your guy here, Forex Miracle Trader. We are here today to talk about um, the first Forex token robot in Forex trading history. Created by who? Classic Forex Trader. Listen to me, guys. Created by who? Classic Forex Trader. He created this automatic robot. Automated robot. Did you hear what I say? Automated robot. You don't need to learn about what is Forex. You don't need to go and research what is Forex. You deposit money and let the robot trade for you. Okay, guys. This is the robot here, as you can see. The screenshots of the past trades it has made. So, guys, this is the robot behind the charts created by Classic Forex Trader. But one thing I want to talk about, guys, is that Classic Forex Trader said that nobody can crack his file or use his file. Guys, let's be honest. It's a lie. It is a lie. It has been cracked not by one person but by many persons. It's a lie. This robot is working 100% fine, 100% good. The crack file is working very, very good, very, very well. As you can see, waiting for tick because the market is closed. Once the market is open, you will start seeing it will say working. So guys, you see this robot is working and it's real and it's making profit. So I just want to show you guys that this is something that is real. It's not a fake. The robot is 100% real. Listen to what I'm saying. The robot is 100% real. It's not a fake. It's not fake. Classic Forex Traders robot is real and it's making profit, it's making money. So guys, what I want to tell you is that the file has been cracked not by one person but by a few people around the world. So once you get this file, you can use it and test it on a demo. And if you trust the robot, you can go live account. You can deposit on your live account. So guys, what I want to tell you is that this is the opportunity for you. It's either you believe it or not. This is the opportunity for you. This is the opportunity for you, guys. Wait. So once you get this robot from me, when I send you the file, you can test it on a demo account, and then if you are satisfied, you can go live trading. But let me advise you, just use a balance of 300 to 600 demo account. Then you can see every day how much the robot can make for you. Every single day, you will see it for yourself. You will see it for yourself. Yeah. So the next thing I want to talk about is that this is the opportunity for you, because if you buy it from Classic Forex Trader, you will only use it on a live account. You don't have the opportunity to test it. To test it on a demo account, you can only use on a live account, and you cannot share it to nobody. Listen to what I'm saying. You cannot share it to nobody. You will have a password that is given to you by a Classic Forex Trader, but if you have the cracked file, you can test it until you are satisfied, then you go live. So you see the difference, guys. This is what I'm talking about. There is a difference. Yeah, the crack file is the best and it's making money. It's making money. So just send me an email. Just send me an email, then we will talk about it. I will explain to you how you can install it on your PC or laptop, how it will run, and the settings, the currency pair that you need to trade it. I will give you all the information you need. Yeah, guys. So I started this robot on this past Wednesday on the 27th till Friday when the market closed. So I would like to show you guys the results of the first token robot behind the charts. Behind the charts, guys. Listen to what I'm saying. Behind the charts. The robot can see what human beings cannot see. The robot makes sure that the brokers will not see the stop loss. That is what brokers want to see. They want to see your stop loss. So guys, let's go. Let's go to the account history. Guys, let's see how much did this robot make since on the 27th for 3 days on Wednesday. Let's show you guys. Wait. Can you see it? Can you see the date? 27th of January. Can you see the time? You see? The first trade was GBP USD. It take profit. Can you see it? Take profit. Let's go. Let's go. We are still, yeah, on the 27th. You see? Other trades are here. USD JPY. Take profit. It hit take profit. The robot hit take profit. You see? 4442192. Let's go. The next day, let's go to 28th of January. Can you see it for yourself? You see the date? You see the date? It's here. USDCHF. Let's go. USDCHF. You see? Profit 451. 451. The robot is trade. This is automatic trading. Automatic. The robot is doing everything. You don't need to do nothing. Just go and sleep. Because human beings, they don't have patience, but robots, they have patience. They can make money for you. They know when to enter a trade. They know when to close. They make sure that they recover your losses and make profit. Guys, you see? 28. Let's go. 27 still. You will see 28. Yeah, sell. USD JPY. Let's go. Take profit. You see? You see? You see it? 453.84. Let's go. Let's go. Wait. Let's go. 28. We are still on the 28. You see? GBP USD. All of them take profit. Some of them it cancel it because the robot cannot trade it. Yeah, it's in another trend. So the robot only trades if it's having opportunity for you, either a downtrend or a uptrend. Guys, you see? This was all in profit. All in profit on the 28. On the 28, guys, you see? Look at it, guys. Look at it. GBP USD. Look at it, guys. Look at it. Look at the lot size. 0.02. This lot size is with the settings. You don't need to change anything unless you want to change the lot size to 0.01 or add it if you trust the robot. Guys, you see? You see, guys? You see? You see? 2. You see? Let's go. Let's go still. Let's go. Let's go to... Still on the 28, you see? Still on the 28, the second day. It made like, I think in the second day, it made about $60 in the second day. You see, all of them take profit. You see, 4. You see it for yourself. You see, we are still on the 28. Imagine how much it made on the 28. Just imagine, guys, how much this robot made. GBP USD. GBP using a lot size of 0.02. Look at this, guys. Look at this. This robot is real. How can you say it's fake? Look at the profit. Look. If you don't have eyes, you will see this today. Look. Look at this, guys. 4. Imagine on the 28. We are still on the 28, guys. You see? Imagine on the 28, guys. You see? Still on the 28. Look. 4. 225. Let's go to 29 now. You see 29. Let's go to 29. The third day. 29. You see? We trade what? USDCHF. Lot size 0.02. Let's go. Take profit. It hit it. How much is it? 225. Still on the 29. You see? Still on the 29. You see the trades? Buy GBP USD. Look at the profits here. Look at the profits. Look at the profits. This was on the last day. This was on the last day. You see? This was on the last day. 29 on Friday. On Friday, guys. This robot is real and is working. This is the cracked file. The cracked version. The cracked version, guys. Just on Friday, it made $72. And it was having open positions. The trades were running. So imagine how much it made on Friday, guys. Just imagine, guys. This is all on Friday. Can you see it for yourself, guys? 29. Look at the date. Look at the date. Look at the currency. GBP USD, USDCHF. You see? Lot size of 0.02. Look at it, guys. Look at it, guys. Look at it. 444, 225. Still on Friday. Still on Friday, you see? Still on Friday. Look at the date. Look at the date, guys. How can you say this robot is fake? How? Tell me now. How can you say this robot is fake? Look at it. If you have eyes, look. Look, if you have eyes. You see? The open trades are here. Wait. The open trades on Friday are here. It's still running and it's going to be in profit because this robot doesn't take losses. You see? These are the open trades on Friday. You see? 29. 29. You see it for yourself. 29. Their open trades is still in minus, but it will recover all the losses. Just imagine on Friday how much this robot could have made. Guys, just imagine. And one thing, the robot takes screenshots, like Classic Forex Trader said. The robot takes screenshots of your trades, guys. So if you go back to another day, you will see when the robot entered and when it hit your take profit, guys. Classic Forex Trader was true about this. He was true about this, guys. Behind the charts, robot. let me show you how much trades the robot took and how many wins and losses. You will see it for yourself, guys. Look at the start balance, 600. Running in profit, minus 63, it will recover. Total trades, 57. Number of wins, guys, look at this, guys. Look at it for yourself. Number of wins. Classic for, let me show you the robot. Wait, look at the, wait. You see? Number of wins, 59. 59 trades, 57. Number of wins, 59. Number of losses, 0. Total amount, how much? 468, guys. It already made how much? 168, guys. In 3 days, and other positions are open. On Friday, the market was closed, guys. Imagine, guys, in 3 days, how much these robots could have made. A deposit of 300, a bonus of 300, that made it 600, guys. So a total profit of 168, because you cannot use the bonus, guys. Think about what I'm saying, guys. Think about it. This is the first Forex token robot behind the charts, created by who? Classic Forex Trader. Classic Forex Trader. It's your guy here. Forex Miracle Trader. Because this robot is a miracle, guys. It can change your life. You can make money, guys. Look at the robot. Let me show you other screenshots. Wait, guys. Let me show you other screenshots, guys, of the robot. Just wait. Because I cannot use my MT4. Look at the profit. I was saying, am I wrong? 168. A deposit of 300. Bonus of 300. How much profit? 168. Guys, look at the trades. Guys. 28. That was on the 28. Wait. Let me go to another one. Wait. Guys, you will believe this. You will believe that this is the first token robot. Guys, look at the date. On the 28th, look at the profit, guys. See, up to on the 20th. Look at the profit, guys. GBP USD, it killed USD CHF. Let's go to another one. Wait, guys. I will show you proof so that you will believe. Some of you don't want to change your lives. 2021, you still want to be broke. You still want to be poor. Look at this on the 27th. Look at the profit. Look at this on the 27th, on the 29th. Look at the profit. 4. Lot size 0.02. Currency pair GBP USD. Look at this guy. Look at this, guys. You have eyes to see. I will show you all the screenshots. Wait. Let's go to the date. 29, 28. Oh, look at the profit. 29. In 3 days, the robot was able to make $168. $168. And they are still open trades. Guys, imagine how much this robot could have made, guys. Imagine. Let's go to the date. 28, 29, 27. All of them in profit. It had how many wins, guys? How many wins? 59 wins. 0 losses, guys. Imagine this, guys. How can you think this robot is fake? Imagine. Guys, I don't understand you people. You don't want to change your life. You don't want to change your life, guys. You will even see the history. It takes screenshots. Let's go to the date. It takes screenshots. You see, guys. It takes screenshots. Look at the robot from on the 28th. The robot was trading. Look at the screenshots. Take profit, buy. Look, guys. See. Look at this, guys. You still don't believe in this first token robot, guys. I believe. I never believed, but I believe now. I believe this robot will change your life. Believe me, this robot will change your life, guys. You just need patience. You don't have to rush. This robot will change your life, guys. Believe me. You saw you saw everything. Look at the balance. Look at the balance. 468. Credit 300. Equity 701. Look at the details, guys. Look. Guys, you have eyes to see. Look. These are open trades from Friday. We are in minus 67, but I promise you the robot will recover everything. I will make another video to show you how this robot is powerful, how it can recover your losses when the trades are open. Look at this, guys. We are all in minus. But on Monday, I promise you, guys, or Tuesday, the robot will recover all losses, guys. Believe in this, guys. Believe in this. Which robot is this? Behind the charts. Behind the charts MT4 robot. Cracked version, guys. Cracked version. Guys, you need this thing. Just send me an email. I will explain everything about the robot. I will show you guys how to install